Hi everyone, welcome to the studio. So today I'm going to do a painting that involves multiple techniques. One of them including a double pour out of a plastic container that was coffee filters for Acrylic. So it has two little bumps there so I can pour out a sky scene and a base scene that could be shadows behind other things. Then I'm going to, I believe, do a swipe and then do some things with chain pull. So stay tuned, multiple techniques coming up. All right, so my plan is to stack one side of my cup in blues and one side of my cup in browns. The brown will be the base for a ground painting, part of the painting, and the blue/grays will be the base for the sky part of my painting. All right, so let me get those mixed up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I am ready to go ahead and pour out my double lipped cup. And I'm going to let you know that this was just stacked with leftover paints that were in browns and turquoise and greens, etc. So I can't tell you a specific brand, but I do not believe any of these have any kind of silicone in them. So we're just going to do a straight pour from one side to the other, and we'll tilt from there. Here we go. Big chunk of something, look at that. That's what happens when you use leftover paints sometimes. I don't believe any of these paints have metallic in them either. I'm gonna go ahead and let them drip. I really don't care about the pattern. I just want to have certain colors at the top and certain colors at the bottom. Alright, so see how those came out? And really this is just my background. So I'm going to stretch it up as much as I can and then pull the sky back down after I get it to my sides. Looks like I got a little bit of green in my sky. That's okay. We'll see if we can't even that out. I'm just going to pull that. Just so I still have that dividing line where I want it. Alright. We're going to go this way first. Hopefully I'll have enough paint to travel both up and down because I don't have any other base. This was going to be my base. Good job. Alright, bringing everything back into the center. And then we're going to go just straight down. And I am going to try to get a hold of my tweezers because I see I've got a big chunk of something in there. It's traveling. That's not good. We'll have to swipe that back up. Not exactly what I had planned, but that's okay. So once we cover that blue there, I'm going to go back the other direction. And I'm kind of covering my sides as I go. So like I said, this is kind of my base. Another big chunk. There's another big one. Sometimes if I'm using leftover paints, I will strain them first. I didn't do that today. All right. Let's see what else we have. Let's get more ground and less sky. So let's go that way. All right, let me clean up my gloves a little bit, get rid of some of the bubbles, and we're going to use this one, this background just like it is. All right, so for the next thing, I'd like to actually create some rays of light coming out. So I'm going to first start with a line that would be about here maybe. Maybe one that's about here, and one that's about here. So this is kind of a pinkish gray. I'm going to add this tiniest bit of red in it. Let's see how this works out. Offset a little bit from where these start. Just so I get a little bit of an overlap. That's it. I have messed with it enough, so I'm going to bring you around for one last. Here's a cabin in the woods in abstract.